Let's review the all-new inventory transfer process for Shopify POS. The streamlined workflow lets your team manage the process right from your tablet. When you need to ship product transfers between your locations, this is the way you want to do it. Let's jump into it and we'll show you how to get started. Let's first look at one of our products stocked across our retail locations. We can see that the Los Angeles location is the only place there's inventory. If we're going to sell this item, then we need to make sure it's available at all our stores. We're going to transfer some of the Los Angeles inventory to our New York store. All transfers start in the transfer section under the product admin. Navigate to this section to create a new transfer. You have to start from the Shopify admin. You cannot create the initial transfer from the point of sale app. The first step is selecting the origin and destination location for this transfer. Click on the drop-down to make your choices. The available choices for the origin and destination are populated from your entries in the Shopify locations. In order to transfer products, you must have a location configured for each of your retail stores. Select your origin. This is the location that currently has the products. Then choose the destination. This is where the products will be shipped. Now, choose which products are included in this transfer order. You can choose more than one, but we'll just select that one hoodie. Shopify will show you how many are available at the origin location, and then you enter the desired amount to ship to the destination. We'll choose 10 units. You can also add a helpful note to send along with the transfer order. Once this is complete, you will save the transfer order, which creates a draft transfer. This lets you review all the details before you actually initiate the transfer. The new transfer order is available in your list of transfers. If everything looks good, you start the process by marking it as ready to ship. You'll see the status change in the transfer order and in the transfer list. You're now ready to manage the process right from your POS tablets. Now let's jump over to the POS tablet to manage the shipment. Make sure you are in the correct origin location to see the transfer order. Click the Orders button on the POS and navigate to the new section called Outgoing Transfers. This is where you will see all orders that are ready to ship from that location. We can see our New York transfer order in this list. Click on it to see the details. Your team will now confirm the quantity for the shipment. Click on Create Shipment to set the quantity for the order. You can use your barcode scanner or the form buttons like we're doing here. You don't have to confirm all the items at once. Maybe you need to gather some of the hoodies from the warehouse and can't confirm them all just yet. The order will stay in an in-progress state until you're ready to confirm the amount you are including in this shipment. At this point, your staff should be packing the products from the origin location and creating a shipment that will be sent to the destination. This is known as the pick and pack process. You can come back to the transfer order when you're ready to complete the quantity. Just enter the remaining quantity. For now, we'll click Send to update the order and alert the destination that the products are on the way. You'll notice a link to add shipment details. This is where you can add tracking details to the order. We'll come back and look at this later. The order is now marked as in transit. You'll see that it's gone from the list. You can use the drop-down to switch the view to your transferred orders. You'll see the order we just shipped. You can click on it to confirm the details at any time. We'll set it back to the previous view. Another handy feature is the ability to audit and monitor the process in the Shopify admin. As the POS team is updating and packing the shipment, the transfer order in the Shopify admin is also being updated. This lets the store manager review the entire workflow from their office. They don't have to be at the retail locations. You can see the shipment we just created from our Los Angeles location is now listed as in transit, and the destination is awaiting the 10 hoodies. We can now move over to the destination location and see how that team receives the products. In the real world, this would be a different physical retail store. We'll switch the location in the POS for this demo. We'll select the New York store and receive the transfer at this location. Once we're in the correct location, we can select the product section from the POS. You'll see a new section called Incoming Transfers. There is also an alert badge showing the number of new transfer orders for this store. Clicking here shows the transfer order from the Los Angeles location. You can see the product and quantity that should be expected within this order. At this stage, your destination location is awaiting the actual shipment from the origin store. Your team will open the shipment and start counting the items in the package. The team at the New York store can now start counting the items using a barcode scanner or manually entering the values using the form. You can quickly accept all items with the click of a single button. This is useful for small orders, where you can easily see all the items. Once you receive the order, it will update to a received status and move into the received section of this page. You can always audit previously received transfers. Now that the items are received, Shopify will immediately make those items available in your store. If you go to the hoodie products and review the current inventory, we can see the New York location now has the 10 units in stock. Looking at Los Angeles, we can see their inventory has also been deducted. You have now successfully transferred the products from one store to another. And like before, you can see the shipment and receiving amounts within the Shopify admin. All products are marked as received, and the order is now completed. You can see the inventory updates in the product section too. If we look at the hoodie, the 10 units are now in the New York store. Click on the inventory adjustment link to see a detailed list of the transfer steps. The inventory in your Shopify store and POS are now fully updated to match the transfer amounts. As we mentioned earlier, it's good practice to add tracking details when you create the shipment from the origin. This provides an audit trail for the store manager and destination team to track the shipment and expect arrival. You'll add this info at the origin location during the pick and pack step. After you confirm the items, you will see a link entitled Add Shipment Details. Click here to add the estimated arrival date, tracking number, and carrier details. This data is saved with the transfer order and provided to the destination location. The tracking details can also be entered from the Shopify admin. Just click on the transfer order and add the shipping details. Click here to add the estimated arrival date, tracking number, and carrier details. With the shipment and tracking details added to the transfer order, the destination location will now have access to the tracking in case they need to look up the order. We'll switch to the destination store and open the incoming transfer. When you click on the transfer, the tracking details are visible on the order. The destination staff can see the estimated arrival and carrier. The same tracking information is applied to the transfer order in the Shopify admin. From here, you can even click on the tracking number to quickly view the details on the carrier site. You can now fully transfer and track products between your retail and warehouse locations using Shopify's new transfer workflow. These great new features are available now in the latest version of the Shopify POS app. And if you need help with your Shopify POS, reach out to Sunrise Integration. Our team can help you get up and running or provide staff training. Subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tutorial videos.